Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Hey, today I'm going to go back in time a little bit to this summer, and I did a little bit of tool testing and installing some stuff on my motorcycle. Y'all take care. Stay tuned for the video. Doing a few things here today, doing a little maintenance on the bike. Plus I'm going to install this Ram X grip mount on my motorcycle. At the same time, I'm going to test out a couple of tools. We'll test out this laser, and I'm also going to play around with my vessel. They both, I'm using a T27 on both of them. Actually, it's going to be a security Torx, but anyway, that's what I'm going to do. Just got through changing oil, filling it up now. The whole goal of this is to drop bolts and nuts and screws. No, seriously. The goal is to test out a couple of tools and see how easy this is to do. So first things first, I'm going to see which of these is better. That gets it loose pretty easy, but it gets more aggravating when you get it loose. Seems to take it off a whole lot better. I'm not sure how long of a bolt I'm going to need here. So I'm going to try this one out here real fast. And okay, I really like this vessel. And they're not Torx. And that sucks. Not the right size. I'm supposed to be on the road right now, but I'm not feeling 100%. This might get in the way of the mirror. I don't know. Okay, so I think not sure. I don't think that's going to be the right screw. So we'll get a shorter one here. Seems like a well-built mount. So now, here's what I've been thinking about. When I take this other one off, everything's going to want to move around on me. See, it already kind of wants to move. So we'll go ahead and prepare my Loctite. Yeah. I actually got some orange here I'm going to use if I got more. Don't know if that's gonna work. Matter of fact, I doubt it will, but we'll see. Just in case. Dry erase. So in through here, I'm just putting it back. I'm just getting it ready to put together. I've already put Loctite on my bolts that I'm going to use, or the screws that I'm going to use, and I'm just fixing to put it together. I wish I would have used a zip tie to hold that clamshell together there, but I didn't. The rubber band worked okay, but a zip tie would have been much better. It didn't take me long to figure out, the box to use and to throw this together. It was just a little bit of a pain holding it up, but no biggie. I'll talk a little bit after this, but this was back in late September, I think, because I picked that round mount up at Wildcat Harley Davidson in London, Kentucky, on my way back from a Charleston trip. And so it was a little bit later that I did this. I can't remember where I was supposed to go on a trip to, but I haven't done much riding this past year or since September. But the round mount is working pretty decent. Ended up not really needing that big rubber band looking thing. Holds my phone pretty good, and whatever. Now the biggest problem I have is the connection with the USB or the lightning. It keeps wobbling loose on me, but I'll figure that out. What else? That laser, the biggest problem with the laser, the ratchet, is the back drag isn't all that great. I ordered that from Amazon. It was a half-cut bit set, and it come from England, and it took a minute to get it here. I haven't done a full review on it yet, and I'll do that later. I've still got it sitting in my toolbox. The Vessel, I did a review on it. I really like the Vessel. I enjoy using it, and it's part of my go bag now on my motorcycle. This round mount, you can see it's pretty adjustable. Had to figure out the different ways to adjust it, but there you have it. Maybe that. I have no clue how this works. I'll figure it out later. That's it. The laser set is nice for loosening and tightening things. It had a good grip. I love the Vessel too. It worked great. It had a good back drag. Didn't take a whole lot of force. So I'm really liking that. Appreciate it. Now I'm fixing to adjust my, or add some lubrication to my clutch and clutch cable, and hopefully be done. Y'all take care.